So I want to show you how you do this twisty bacon.
I'm so here for that.
Yeah.
If you think, this is like a keto breadstick.
Yeah.
You know? I don't know if I did it right.
With sugar.
It's like a it's like
Listen.
a keto grissini.
So
By the
you're
way-
just gonna twist them up. This is about £1 and some change.
All right.
Then I'm gonna flavor it up. I've got some dark brown sugar.
Love it.
Some hot Hungarian paprika, a little smoky, little
You,
heat.
Sonny?
I love it, I love it.
Paprika?
That chia?
Hey, do you guys hear the wait? Do you hear the news that Sunny is going to be on all the printed money for Hungary? She uses hot Hungarian
Shut up,
paprika. Her
Jeff.
face is going to be right on every $5, $10.
This is fresh thyme, just chopped
okay.
in. Some ground mustard.
Love mustard.
And a little granulated garlic. Mix it together. Is there any pepper? Let me get that pepper grinder.
Oh, why not?
It's basically dry maple syrup.
Yeah, hook
what
me
you're doing.
up. I've got the oven set to 350 degrees.
You put a lot of that on?
I mean, not too much because you still want that bacon fat to come out and render, not get too sticky.
I love this for cocktail hour.
Yeah, this is really,
a
I
great
love this for
little
breakfast,
cocktail
lunch,
snack.
I might
dinner.
put it on between my custard toast.
Oh, God.
There you go.
Okay, 350.
Crumble it on top of your sushi
How about
casserole.
a bar snack with some draft beer?
Oh, nice cold lager.
Watching the Masters?
Watching,
All right.
watching disc golf nationals.
So after about 45 minutes, and then you have to let it cool because you want them to be rigid, you
Ooh.
have yourself
Oh,
twisted bacon.
tucked in.
Let's
Yes,
vote.
yes, please.
Gonna pass this down?
Yeah, they might still be a little bit floppy because I haven't cooled them down completely.
Yeah, Jeff, I'm gonna make you a
But get
sandwich.
yourself a-
Here.
Yes.
Here you go.
Actually, GZ.
Look at mine's. Get
Oh,
out of
that's
here.
good. Girl, that's real good.